Nice house on Maple Street. Thanks, Peter. That's the note I found in my suitcase, right where my $1,200 laptop used to be. Here's the thing, though. My name's not Peter, and I don't live on Maple Street. The thief used a fake name to let me know he had my real address, so losing the laptop? That became the least of my problems, because now I'm lying in bed at 2 a.m. thinking, is this guy watching my house right now? This went from airport theft to something way darker, fast. And I got obsessed with one question: why me? 200 bags on that carousel in Austin. Why mine? I spent 3 weeks tracking down former TSA agents, baggage handlers, even a criminologist, and they all pointed to the same 3 mistakes, 3 things that screamed, easy target. If you're checking a bag anytime soon, you need to hear this, because you do not want to learn this stuff the way I did. First, get inside a thief's head for 30 seconds. Airport thieves aren't randomly grabbing bags, they're making a 3-second calculation. Is this worth it? How much effort? What are my chances of getting caught? Airports are perfect for this. Time pressure, crowds to blend into. And the best part for them, plausible deniability. Oops, wrong bag, they all look the same. That excuse works way too well. Keep those 3 factors in mind. Now let me show you what made my bag a walking target. If you have a TSA lock on your bag right now, understand something airlines don't tell you. That lock isn't protecting anything. It's attracting thieves. Think about it. People don't lock dirty laundry. They lock valuables. That TSA lock is literally broadcasting, there's something worth stealing in here. But it gets worse. Those TSA master keys, they've been leaked online. Anyone can 3D print them or buy them on eBay for 15 bucks. So you're advertising valuables with a lock that doesn't actually lock. And then there's the ballpoint pen trick. The lock secures, the zipper pulls together, but the zipper track itself, you can force it open with a pen. Thief reaches in, grabs your laptop, zips it back up. You might not notice until you're unpacking at your hotel. I tested this on my own bag after getting robbed, and I was like, are you serious? TSA agents also break these locks constantly. I've had it happen twice. Sometimes they damage your luggage getting in, which leaves everything vulnerable for the rest of your trip. So here's what you do instead. The goal isn't making your bag impossible to break into. That's not realistic. The goal is making it less attractive than the 50 other bags on that carousel. Use zip ties, key rings, spiral cable ties. I use black zip ties on my black suitcase, invisible to thieves scanning bags, but obvious to me if someone's tampered with it. Pack a nail clipper in your personal item to cut your own ties when you land, or get luggage covers. Even saran wrap works. A lot of airports offer wrapping services for 10 bucks. This completely stops the pen trick because they can't access your zipper anymore. Stop advertising. Start protecting smart. Real quick, if TSA has ever broken your lock or messed with your bag, drop the airport name in the comments. I'm actually tracking which airports have the worst rates for this. Austin keeps coming up. Miami, JFK. Let's build the list. Let me tell you what happened after I found that note. I didn't sleep for 3 days. Every noise outside, I'm thinking, is that him? Does he know when I leave for work? And that's what a luggage tag with your full home address tells thieves. 1. You're not home, you're traveling. 2. Here's the exact address of your empty house. 3. You have money to travel, so you probably have stuff worth stealing. That risk-reward calculation? Looking pretty good for them? Now you might think, does this actually happen? There was a professional thief in the UK who admitted to over 20,000 home break-ins. 20,000. In an interview after his arrest, he said one of his favorite hunting grounds was airport check-in areas, to collect addresses from luggage tags. Think about this. The check-in area is public. Anyone can walk in. He didn't even need a plane ticket. Just a phone with a camera and a crowd of distracted travelers. He'd photograph luggage tags, collect addresses, then wait. But it's not just burglars. There was this woman, Kristen, sitting at her gate, and she gets a text from a stranger. Guy saw her at the gate, thought she was beautiful, grabbed her number off her luggage tag. The message ended with, I promise this isn't as weird as it seems. Except it is weird, super weird. And her home address was also on that tag, so this random dude knows exactly where she lives. Even if nothing gets stolen, your privacy's been invaded. Your sense of safety is gone. And that feeling doesn't go away just because you got your bag back. By the way, Kristen posted about this on Twitter. Got over 40,000 comments from women with the exact same story. Different airports, same creepy approach. I linked her original thread in the description if you want proof this isn't rare. Fair warning though, it'll make your skin crawl. Here's the fix. Get luggage tags with privacy covers. The ones where you flip open a flap to see the information. Then flip the card backwards so not even your name is visible. Advanced move. Don't use your home address. Use your work address. Or just an email. Or set up a Google Voice number. I use tags with magnetic privacy flaps. $8 on Amazon. Bright orange so my bag stands out. But nobody can see my information unless they open the flap. Which brings me to mistake number 3. If you're traveling with a plain black suitcase that looks like 100 others, you're making a thief's job unfairly easy. Generic bags blend in. If a thief grabs a bright yellow suitcase covered in stickers, people notice. Someone says something, but grabbing a plain black one, nobody blinks. And that oops wrong bag excuse actually works with generic luggage. Try that with a hot pink suitcase covered in Disney stickers. Yeah, not happening. Some experts say keep a low profile at airports. Don't draw attention. For carry-on bags? Sure. But for checked luggage? That advice is backwards. You want attention on your checked bag. You want thieves to look at it and think, that one's too risky. A former baggage handler told me thieves are fundamentally lazy. They want the easiest money, with minimum risk. So don't be the easy money. Make your bag unmistakable. Stickers, patches, bright-colored straps. Anything that makes someone go, I'd definitely notice if somebody walked off with that bag. I put 6 random bumper stickers on mine. Looks kind of ridiculous, but nobody's touching it, because it's memorable. And here's something most travelers never think about. Get to baggage claim fast when you land. Don't stop at the bathroom. Don't browse shops. Just get to that carousel. The first bags off the plane are most vulnerable. Fewer people around, fewer witnesses. Easier for someone to grab something quickly. Those extra 2 minutes could be the difference between arriving with your stuff or spending your vacation filing police reports. Actually, pause for 5 seconds. Right now, pull out your phone and check your luggage tags. Are they in your closet? Go look. Is your full home address visible? Yeah, we're fixing that today. My story. Losing $1,200, getting that creepy note, lying awake wondering if I'm being watched. None of that had to happen. If I'd known what you know now, I would have made different choices. And honestly, airlines don't tell you this stuff. TSA doesn't warn you. The travel industry makes billions, but educating travelers about basic security? That gets left to random people on YouTube after learning the expensive way. But now you know. Quick recap. 1. Ditch the TSA lock. Use zip ties or luggage covers. Make your bag look like more hassle than it's worth. 2. Hide your personal information. Privacy tags, flip cards backwards, use work address or email instead of home. 3. Make your bag impossible to miss. Bright colors, stickers, unique features. Be the bag that makes a thief think, nope, not worth it. These aren't expensive solutions. This is just being slightly smarter than the person trying to steal from you. Thieves are lazy, they want easy targets. Don't be one. So, have you ever had something stolen from checked luggage? Or seen something sketchy at baggage claim? Drop it in the comments. The more we talk about these tactics, the harder it gets for thieves to operate. If this helped you, hit that like button. Share this with anyone traveling soon. We gotta look out for each other. Pack smart, not scared.